Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today I'm going to tell you about guys how to on easy touch and guys how it's work in Vivo phone guys. You are going to watch in this video guys how to on and guys how to use it in Vivo phone. So well, let's see how to on easy touch and guys how it's work. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on shortcut and accessibility setting guys, tap here. Then guys you can see easy touch. Click on the guys, you can see these apps, this notification and guys they are not working. So when you will on, then it will work. So after on guys you can see this option. So I suppose guys you are here, then guys you will tap here. You can see a screenshot, you can open calculator from here, easy touch guys, screen recording, search, flashlight guys you want to on, so you can on from here. So I think friends you have understood how to on easy touch and how it's work in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, and guys you can set it from here like. So I think friends you have understood how to on easy touch and how it's work in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.